Am I the only one that didn't know cows and elephants have something super important in common? Let's find out what it is. Time to jump into the animal kingdom. From deep green forests to sunny, bustling farms, animals are everywhere. Some, like lions and elephants, roam the wild and help keep nature in balance. Did you know elephants use their trunks like giant noses and even help trees grow by spreading seeds? And lions? They're called the kings of the jungle for a reason. They help keep animal numbers in check. Now let's hop over to the farm. Chickens cluck and lay tasty eggs, cows give us milk, and sheep wear the fluffiest wool coats you've ever seen. But farm animals do more than just help people. They all play their own part in keeping the land healthy. Cows munch on grass, which keeps pastures nice and neat, and chickens eat bugs that might bother the crops. Every animal, big or small, wild or tame, is super important to our world. They help plants grow, keep each other in check, and make the earth a better place for all of us. So next time you see a farm animal or spot a wild creature, remember, they're not just cute or cool, they're heroes of our ecosystem. Thanks for exploring the wonderful world of animals with us. Which one's your favorite? Let us know and keep discovering.